a whole new world, yeah. A dazzling place I never knew. Alright, let me get the video started. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Canta con Elishama, a channel where we usually practice both English and Spanish, but of course this is the Sosew con Elishama series, and this is going to be the second episode where we covered how to make this beautiful top Jazmyn jewel. So a fun fact about this top, I actually made it from some leftover fabric that came from a dress that I had a very long time ago. And so this is chiffon, and it came from the tail part of the dress. I no longer have the top piece to it, so I can't make anything out of that. But I just thought, wow, this chiffon is so pretty, I might as well make something out of it. And I still have plans to make more stuff with it, so that's why I didn't use all of it. But that is what you see here, is this leftover chiffon from that dress. And then the base piece of this top underneath is just made from some leftover spandex. Nylon spandex, lycra, whichever, you know. But that is what this top is made from. And then the straps on it came from a spool of it was like a spool of strap, like a long strap. I got it from Etsy. You'll see it in the video, but it was already made and I just bought it off of Etsy. And I had these materials I've had for years, and they've just been in my little drawer of projects that I've worked on. And so I figured, why not make something out of stuff I already have and put it to good use. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I will go ahead and link similar items down in the description below of where you can find products, especially with the chiffon. I found a nice shop that offered stretch chiffon, so I'll link that down in the I will link that down in the description below as well. But let's go ahead and get started. And since this is the second episode, I'm actually experimenting on whether or not I want to do a voiceover or just have the information typed out and let it be a silent tutorial. I guess you guys are about to see which one I decide, since I'm recording this before I actually edit that part. So I don't know, let me know. Do you like when I do a voiceover, or do you like when I do a silent tutorial? But I hope you enjoy, and the link for this pattern is down in the description below. See you guys at the end. And that was Jazmyn Jewel. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. There's so much you can do with this top though. I simply just left it as a little workout dance practice top, but definitely feel free to like do your own thing with it. You can pleat it like I said in the beginning, or you could just leave it unpleated up here. You can even add rhinestones to it. I think that would look so pretty. Maybe rhinestones on this, or maybe some rhinestones here. It's really up to you. I didn't feel like rhinestoning this time for this top, but definitely play with it, make it your own. You can probably even add some ruffles here, like just taking another half of this and just boop, done, you know? So have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.